Your credit card is in your hand, but do you know? The real danger begins after you start using it. Hidden charges, secret scams, and frauds you don't even notice until it's too late. Today, in stage 3 of the card management process, I'll show you exactly what to watch out for and how to protect yourself before you lose your hard-earned money. Once your card is approved, every transaction gets logged into your billing cycle, but it's also where most fraudsters strike. RS1 or RS10 missing. That's not a bank fee. It could be a fraudster testing your card. Charges from a country you've never visited. Switch off international usage instantly. That free trial you clicked. It might now be billing you every month. Petrol pumps, small shops. A hidden skimmer can copy your card details in seconds. One wrong click on a phishing site and your entire limit is gone. Enable instant alerts, SMS plus app notifications for every transaction. Use virtual cards online. Keeps your real number hidden. Turn off international transactions. Keep it off until you need it. Review statements weekly. Fraud waits for no one. Avoid dodgy POS terminals. Use Tap to Pay or UPI instead. Set spending limits and turn NFC off when idle. Stops contactless skimming. Fraud doesn't knock, it sneaks in. In stage 3, awareness is your strongest defense. Follow these steps and you'll keep your card and your peace of mind safe. This is Akash Singh Talan. Subscribe now and share this with anyone who uses a credit card. Stay safe.